Hey guys, Emily Seagren here, and I've been an Avon representative for 11 years. I am a top national recruiter of Team Momentum, and we sell $3 million worth of Avon products a year. So now is such an exciting time to join us. We just got bought out by LG. So that's super exciting news. They're going to invest in us. We've already had so many great product launches this year, and there's only bigger and better things coming our way. So today I want to show you the best face forever free gift option when you sign up. So it's only $30 to start your very own beauty biz, which gives you immediate access to your training to get started, your website that you can promote, and your free marketing tools. So the best face forever comes with 4 products, and your 3 gift bundles all come free with your $30 sign up. You get to choose one of the 3. I want to make sure I'm clear on that. All right, so Best Face Forever has Marie Claire's #1 product that will change your life. Did you hear that? Do you guys get tired, not enough sleep, a little stressed in the morning? We don't always wake up super beautiful, but we can use some of our new products to help us with that. So this is a depuffing serum. It has a cool tip applicator that's going to help those eye bags immediately look better in the morning, okay? I'm a mom of 2. I'm a wife, a business owner. I don't always get all of my beauty sleep, so I rely on the amazing new skincare products to get me through. So the Hydrofusion line is moisturizing. This is a gel cream, which I love. Can you tell? It's almost gone. And I like it because it goes on clear, and it doesn't have a heavy scent. And sometimes the anti-aging products still give me pimples. And so I find the gel cream to work really well with my skin. It's not as heavy as a cream, but not as light as a lotion. So it comes with the depuffing eye serum, the gel cream. It also comes with our amazing Love at First Lash mascara. It has, how come you always open your mouth when you do mascara? I do, at least. It has heart-shaped fibers that give you long, luscious looking lashes. And then last but not least, it comes with this, but in clear. Okay, so this is our True Color Lip Glow, our fabulous lip gloss that goes on, gives you shine and moisture, not sticky, and it comes in that in clear. So I would love to have you on my team. The 3 gift bundle choices are Better Than Basics, my BFF, Best Face Forever. That's what I just showed you. And then I'm a Glow Getter. So pick the one that excites you the most. And I hope to see you soon on my team. Bye, guys.